How to log in Emirates Islamic Bank online banking account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate on how to log into your Emirates Islamic Bank online banking account. So Emirates Islamic Bank is one of the four Islamic banks in Dubai, UAE, offering retail and corporate banking services. So let's dive right into the steps. Firstly, you have to open a preferred web browser such as Google Chrome on your PC, and in the search bar type EmiratesIslamic.ae in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. This will take you to the official website of Emirates Islamic Bank. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and among the various options, click on Online Banking option that is just below the EL Plus Online Banking. Click on it, and after you do that, you will be taken to a login page. Enter your username and the password in their designated area. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or your password, click on this forgot username to retrieve your username, and to reset or recover your password, click on this forgot password option. If you haven't registered for the online banking yet, click on the self-registration button in the right side of the screen that is highlighted in orange color, and you will need your account number, debit or credit card number, and date of birth for the registration. So after entering the correct form of your credentials, click on the login button highlighted in purple color in order to successfully log into your Emirates Islamic Bank online banking account. So this was all about it. If you found this guide to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.